Hi parents, I wanted to show you how to get into and maneuver around Google Classroom for when we're virtual. So if you would just go to google.com, it'll take you to this kind of page, and on the top right hand corner you'll see that you'll have a waffle and a login account. Your child should be logged in, and more than likely it's the first initial of their first name, unless they've changed their icon. But they do have to be right here. If not, you will have to click it and sign in and follow all the directions. And if it says, do you want a link? You just press yes, link data, yes, until you get all the way in and signed in, or your child gets signed in. So right now I'm going to link in as a student, and see, you'll notice that my child's icon is there and it says his name if I hover over with my cursor. Now, what they usually do, what I tell the kids, is we go to our waffle, and in our waffle are all our Google apps, and I want them to be able to check their mail, but also mainly get into Classroom. So if you click Classroom, the only choice your student should have is Mrs. Lee's face, and this should say Mrs. Lee's Hollywood class, and then if you click there, it should take you directly into our Hollywood class. This is just a test class for my son. So if once you get into the classroom, the main place that the student should be going to is classwork. During virtual, I will make announcements in the stream. So if they would first read any new announcements in the stream, they'll be able to see what's there. To get back to the stream, they go back to the top left-hand corner and click the class name. Once they read the stream and follow the directions, they can go straight into classwork, where all of their assignments are located. I tell the students to go to all topics. Under all topics, there should be dates in order of the most current. Also in there are extra practice. There's also websites that the kids can go on. There's also the group meet links. So if you look under all topics on the left here, you'll see all the dates of the assignments and any extra folders that I have assigned to the kids. Right here, you will see all the assignments. They will be separated by date, and the most recent date will be on top. There's also going to be materials that the kids could use, like the whiteboard collaboration, which we do every morning. There's the advent calendar. There's math practice and Clever Login for all their other materials. Clever Login is where we get into Benchmark, our reading program. If you ever want to check on your students' work, whether they've done it or not, on the top left-hand corner is your View Your Work. Once you click that, you can see what has been assigned, what your student is missing, what they've turned in. You can scroll down right there, and then to get back to our page, you just go back to the top left hand corner and click the class name, and it takes you back into the stream. Again, stream and classwork are the only main places where the students should be. Stream is my announcements, and classwork is where all the assignments are, and then they go to all topics to find the date that they need to work on. Otherwise, oh, one more thing is you'll notice there's a Google Meet icon up there on their classwork. If you click on that, whenever we schedule a meet, you can click on that and it'll take you directly to our link to join. Or, if you're not in classwork, if you're on our home class page, if you look on the top banner where it says our name of our class, there's a meet link. If you click on that, that will also take you to the same meet link. So anytime I say 8:30, meet us on our link, all they would have to do is go to the banner under the main page of our class and click the meet link. Please make sure that your child's checking the announcements in the stream and then going and doing their classwork. And also, when they finish their classwork, please make sure that they're turning it in. Otherwise, that's the essence of Google Classroom. If you have any other questions, please feel free to email me and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks.